Think your home is truly clean? If your sponge could talk, it might disagree. Over more than 20 years of professional cleaning, we've seen spotless homes that were secretly full of bad cleaning habits. So today, let's uncover some of the most common cleaning mistakes people make at home and what to do instead, so your space is not just tidy, but truly clean and healthy. Mistake number 1, using the wrong product on the wrong surface. That powerful cleaner you love for the bathroom? It might be slowly dulling your hardwood floors or damaging your stone counters. Harsh chemicals and acidic products can etch marble, cloud stainless steel, and strip protective finishes. A better approach: always check the label, test on a small hidden spot, and match the product to the material, especially for wood, natural stone, and delicate finishes. Mistake number 2, spraying directly onto surfaces like glass, mirrors, and electronics. It feels efficient, but spraying straight on can cause streaks, drips, and even moisture damage, especially on screens and wooden frames. Instead, spray your cleaner onto a microfiber cloth first, then wipe. You'll use less product, control where the moisture goes, and get a more even, streak-free clean. Mistake number 3, ignoring the high-touch hotspots. We scrub floors and counters but forget the tiny things everyone touches all day. Light switches, doorknobs, fridge handles, remote controls, faucets, and stair railings. These spots quietly collect fingerprints, oils, and germs. Build a simple habit. Once or twice a week, grab a disinfecting safe cloth or wipe and do a quick tour of all your high-touch areas. It takes just a few minutes and dramatically boosts hygiene in your home. Mistake number 4, cleaning with dirty tools. If your mop water is gray, your sponge smells suspicious, or your vacuum filter hasn't seen the light of day in months, you're really just moving dirt around. Dirty tools spread bacteria and leave films and streaks behind. The fix: rinse and wring mops often, wash or replace microfiber cloths regularly, sanitize sponges or replace them frequently, and clean vacuum filters and brushes according to the manufacturer's instructions. Think of it this way: your tools should be at least as clean as the surfaces you expect them to clean. Mistake number 5, overwetting carpets and upholstery. When we see a stain, our instinct is to soak it and scrub hard. But overwetting can drive the stain deeper, damage the backing, and create a perfect damp environment for mold and lingering odors. Instead, don't rub using a clean, absorbent cloth. Use small amounts of cleaner, work from the outside of the stain inward, and allow plenty of time to dry thoroughly. If an area still feels damp hours later, increase ventilation or use fans to speed up drying. Mistake number 6, treating strong chemicals as a shortcut. More isn't always better, and stronger isn't always safer. Overusing heavy-duty cleaners, or worse, mixing chemicals like bleach and ammonia, can damage surfaces and impact your indoor air quality. Whenever possible, start with milder, eco-friendly options and follow the product directions carefully. Ventilate well, never mix products, and remember, if you need a mask and all the windows open, this should be an occasional deep clean tool, not your everyday go-to. Mistake number 7, cleaning without a plan. Many people bounce from room to room, starting 5 tasks and finishing none, or they clean low areas first and then dust from above, undoing their own work. A smarter strategy: clean top to bottom and left to right and tackle one area at a time. For example, dust high surfaces first, then wipe counters, then do floors last. Create a simple routine for daily, weekly, and monthly tasks so nothing gets wildly neglected or endlessly repeated while other areas are forgotten. When you avoid these common mistakes, your home doesn't just look cleaner, it stays cleaner longer, feels fresher, and is healthier for everyone who lives there. And remember, good cleaning is less about working harder and more about working smarter, with the right tools, the right products, and a thoughtful routine.